In this video, I want to show you how to use the Shortcuts app and automation to help your mom with the problem she might be having. Let's say when she drives, she's charging the phone in her car, but when she gets to where she wants to be, say the doctor's office, she might forget and leave it in the car. And let's see if we can fix that problem for her, or maybe you. So what you want to do is you're going to create first a shortcut that speaks a message. So see the Shortcuts app? Do that. And we're going to do a plus to create an action we're going to add as a speak action. Speak text. And you can put any text in here. I'm going to make it real short. Don't forget phone, and I'm going to name it that so I can find it. Rename. And don't forget phone. And done. Okay, so there it is now, the shortcut. And let's see what it does if you just tap its name.
Don't forget phone.
And of course you would want to personalize it. Hey mom, something like that. So we've got the speaking part. Now, how do we trigger it to make it happen? Okay, you notice this automation here? You tap that and a plus, and we're going to look for Bluetooth, which is how the phone connects to the car. And we want to know when Bluetooth is disconnected. We want to run immediately. Now we got to choose the Bluetooth connection, which would be her car. In this case, I'm just using my Bluetooth headset so I can show you here while inside. Done. And then after that's all set here, then tap the next. And what we got to do is connect this to the shortcut. So now remember that was called, don't. There it is. And it's connected now. See it right there? So let's see how this works. So to simulate the car, first I'm going to connect the phone to the car. And the Bluetooth headset speaks, so don't be confused by that.
Power on. Device paired.
Okay. I don't know whether your car would say that or not, but now let's turn off the headset, which is the same thing as a car turning off.
Power off. Don't forget phone.
There you go. And you can have it repeat a couple times if you wanted, or make it more personalized. So it's as simple as that. I've listed 5 examples in the article that's referenced in the description.